this is not even the
look,
end of it.
It's another one.
It's not even the
Yeah,
end.
dude, it's gonna take him at least a good another 5-6 hours to eat the fuck. Dude, there's so many.
Whoa.
Look at another jackknife. Holy shit! There's just like random jackknives up the road.
Whoa, look at that.
So much.
Oh, look, there's a huge crash over there.
There's a bigger crash here, dude. Holy shit! So we passed like 1/3 of it.
Whoa.
Yeah, do not. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this
That's a
one.
really bad jackknife. Ouch. Wow, dude, look at this guy's cabinas on the freaking road, dude. Just a cabina, dude.
Whoa, dude. Look at that.
They're trying to like pull out with the semis and shit. You know, with the towing, they're like trying to pull
Whoa,
them apart.
look at that.
Yeah, just a cabina, dude.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look,
Holy
look at
shit,
this.
This guy hit this guy so hard, the cabina flew like 50 feet in front of it. That guy's fucked. He's dead, dude.
Yeah, he has to be
How
dead.
the fuck is not dead, dude? The cabina is off the truck. It's like 30 feet or 50 feet in front of the truck. The whole cabina.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Whoa.
Okay, bye. Bye.
That's